What you groaning about back here, Will? Huh? Grunting, groaning and shit. What you got? Oh, you got yellowfin. It's a tuna.
I'm probably like a half an hour out if I went straight there. If I end up getting, next year or so getting them, I'll give it a try, but no biggies.
There you go, nice crank. Pull, nice crank and pull.
Any kelps in there, fella?
Give me a second, Ton. Pull, I mean, reel, there you go. Last one. Grab that guy for me. Watch that line too. Pull him in. Oh, there you go. That's a good one.
Hell yeah.
Watch that gaff, that line. There you go. Take that gaff out. Now you want to spike him? Oh, that's a fucking mess.
Yeah.
It's a good day.
Oh, yeah.